Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from your video clip on a Capcut application. So the first thing that you have to do is just go find the project that containing emoji for the clip, and here I already got one, and you can see now this video containing one emoji on it. And to remove it, it's such as confusing because whenever we click the clip, there is no other actions pop up on the screen. So we need to activate the section of the emoji before we remove this. So to activate it, you just need to take a look on this button features right here, and then you just need to visit the text. Whenever you visit the text, now you got the emoji sections pop up on your screen, and then you just need to go click it to access the emoji button. And now you can just directly click this X button, or you can also click delete to remove it. So now in the whole video there will be no more emojis appear. So that's the way guys how to remove emoji from video clip on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.